get the light on. Second. Right, let's put this charger on. And let's get ready to rumble. Morning, everyone. Okay, so wow, yeah, yesterday was mad, eh? Look at that push. Look at that push.
Just magic push. Magic push.
Yeah, it was big, it was big. Okay.
Good morning, Max.
Morning. So yeah, we'll go through that little push yesterday. Go through the win that we took yesterday as well. Changing our month into a positive month now, which is good. Finally. And yeah, let's do this. Okay. So someone says GJ buy now. Interesting. Let's go through GJ. Actually, let's take a look at news first. Le news. Okay, today, wow, look, we've got just yellow news folders, not red. Amazing. 10-year bond auctions are going to be interesting. FOMC member Williams speaks. That's a bit early on. Wow. Morning. Okay, so let's get into this, right? So, GJ, daily time frame closed bearish. Okay. The last one closed bearish. Take a look at the weekly. How's the weekly doing? Yeah, so the weekly looks like it might have made the top wick, right? So then maybe flip it, continue down later on. You can also see really here, price for me personally has came down. It's retested to maybe continue back down. Okay, so I can break and retest. So that's what I can see in the higher time frame there. Let's just mark up my daily zone. Right there. Okay, so yeah, as I said, the daily is right actually at the daily flip right now. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. The last 4 hour closed bullish. This one's bearish right now. Looking like we haven't really made much of a direction on the 4 hour, which suggests that maybe the lower time frames are ranging a little bit. Because yeah, we've made some supports though. You know, we've got a high low, so that's okay. Obviously, the whole thing here is that we're also bearish as well, so kind of hard to justify a buy or a sell at the moment. Take a look in the hourly time frame. Yeah, we are just right at this little OP area. Let's look at the 30. So, through Asian session, pretty rangy, right? Can you see that these candles are kind of bad price action, not really following anything? Let's look at the 15, and this is when we can start to get our zones. Okay, so we've got a resistance which was held the whole of yesterday as well. I'm pretty sure. The whole of yesterday, yeah, like all down here, right at this level, 168, 250, 245, around them areas. Yeah. So that's the level it's holding. Buys above actually wouldn't be too bad. There's clean candles all the way back up. So I think that's pretty reasonable to come back up to 168,500, which we held for ages. So yeah, I think that's pretty reasonable actually. Oh, what the fuck is that? My God. So I think that zone could be quite good above 250, 100%. Sup Max, sup Dennis. How you doing? So yeah, buys above could be quite nice. How would that look like on the higher time frame? Yeah, it'd be the 4 hour break in the previous wick to continue back bullish. And as we've said, there's a big gap here. We haven't filled it up. So it's normally quite good to continue bullish at that point. So yeah, we'll see there. So let me put this on. There we go. Yeah, I played a bit of COD yesterday. It was quite fun to do on the stream. It was fun. Enjoyed it. There we go. Buys above. Damn, Bitcoin dropped 12.5%. Oh, I saw it dropping yesterday, but it was that far. All the crypto gurus will be shitting themselves. Oh, yes. That's a stinker. Look at that. Wow. So look at the weekly. Man. 2020, we're coming back to them levels, man. 18,000. Damn. Again, massive 2 spread pips on GJ. Yeah, it just means that we've got to wait a little bit longer. To be honest with you, yesterday, you know, I've realized, you know, there's sometimes moves, but for the most part, the move is at 8 o'clock, so that's fine. The reason why we're getting up early is because of gold. In terms of the downside, man, this is shit price action. I don't like the downside at all. There's like about 15 billion support, so yeah, there's nothing really looking decent for the sells, unless maybe price does something like this, right? We get a closure. Sorry, 1 second. Unless maybe price closes above, and then the next candle fakes out back in the zone, then might be able to take the sells there. Apart from that, nothing much. 167,340 sells. 167,340. Yeah, let's take a look then. Let's take a look and see when we break those lows if there's anything below. Oh, there's not. Is there? Look at that. Clean. Yep, so this zone here below is a great target to 167 flat, so I'll be looking for sells below there 100%. Very, very good work, Maxi boy. 167. 353. Beautiful. Okay. So yeah, got this marked up, pretty good, pretty happy with it. Obviously, we should swoop, if you swoop the Asian highs and close back in, that could be quite nice. But in terms of the price action in Asian and the spreads, I'm not really too asked about taking a GJ trade anytime soon. Yeah, maybe if it's 8 o'clock and we're above here, great, but we'll see. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So I had a little trend line on this morning. From there to there, there's also one.
I think the next resistance of gold is 1732. I don't know if you go this week, but this is what I feel.
Let's take a look. 1732. 1732 or 1723?
32.
32 up here. Oh yeah, I can see it up here. Yeah, I think there's a couple more resistances before we get there. I think there's one. Yeah, this is quite a big level actually. Can you see how many OBs are here, guys? Just to see, I think yeah, this is nice. So I think to this resistance it could be quite good. Maybe there, that support down there. I'm gonna keep an eye on this OB up here because that hasn't been tested yet, and this is all the way in October. So I'm gonna have that marked out. Maybe take a little sell there. Have we mitigated it yet? Nope. So that could be quite nice. So yeah, massive bull run yesterday. I did actually expect, to be honest with you, a big move at some point because the whole day in itself was ranging damn hard. Yeah, I took buys here. I took buys like 2-3 times in this area. Obviously I fucked around, then I just launched. In terms of getting in the trade, yeah, it's kind of hard. As I said, when we get above 680, we're gonna fly a 700, 800, and that's exactly what we did. In terms of getting in, I mean, maybe with this making low wicks, 245, 3 o'clock, yeah. Gold sharp overnight and now is flatlining. Yeah, okay. So I mean, in terms of the trend line, I think that could be reasonable. Maybe above 1710, we'll see, or a little bit higher up at 1711. But yeah, it has had a big push. What you can do though, if you get rid of the trend lines, is do what normally seems to happen after a big push. So let's go through this, right? The daily timing was very, very bullish. As I said, look at that daily celery play. Fuck. I should have actually had a look at that. There was another trend that worked, 12 to 13 pips. Yeah, I think we need to crush the push up. Yeah, 100%. Some point, I think, and then it will make some support. So yeah, so obviously the daily right now is bearish. It's making a lower wick. 4-hour time frame closed bullish. Looking like if it breaks that low, it should continue down, maybe a little bit further down to maybe another support. If you take a look to the left hand side here, Take a look to the left hand side here. We've got supports right there, 1708. So that's going to be interesting to see if we hold there. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame and the 30. So yeah, we've got a clear support right now down at 1707. Right here. And I do think, yeah, I mean, what you could do is, right, there's two things. You could either wait for price to maybe continue further down to a certain point and then make support and then ride it back up. Where could we make support at? Well, probably 1700, right? 1700 is probably going to be the place to do it. That could be pretty good. So we'll have to see if it breaks them lows. We could continue down. I'm probably not going to take sells just because it's way too bullish. I'd probably wait for the support to form. So yeah, I'll probably wait for that. And at the moment, the only thing I can really look for is the trend line. Which is there. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. Just watched it, not happy with the rejection on the left. Yeah, watch this one actually. Yeah, for me it was a little bit too steep, but I can see it 100%. So we've got 1 touch, 2 touch, closure above, retest, amazing. How big was the stop? It's not too bad either. Oh my god. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, that's good stuff. Oh, my nose. Great work, great work. So yeah, we'll wait patiently over here. Wow, though, what a big run. I'll go for the trade that I took yesterday as well, which is called in the group. And yeah. Wow, 12.5% Bitcoin drop, man. Hello, good morning. Hello. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you guys are new here. Also, guys, make sure to go follow the Instagram. For some reason, recently, in the past like month or two, my likes and shit have all gone down for some reason. So yeah, make sure to go spread some love there. Every single trade that I put on the single trade that I do, I'll post on here. Okay. So we had a gold break-even trade yesterday in the stream. That was the same post, and then today I'm going to be posting the GJ trade that I took. So make sure to go and like the stream, like the Instagrams. It takes 30 seconds to do. And yeah, stop loss matters. Just that. Should I put the thing there? Yeah, Night Boss put it in the chat. Okay, so. What was I going to do? I was going to say something. Yeah, I'll show you the trade that we took yesterday in NY session, which was bloody gorgeous, mate. So, let's go to... What day is today? Is it Wednesday today? Yeah. Okay, Tuesday at... Wow, we did a lot yesterday. Yeah, here. Is it 600 level? Yeah. Okay, so it's because on the 5 minute, that's why. I took a trade here, guys. Where the fuck is it? How am I getting lost? What time is that? Oh, it's here. Yeah, so can you see, guys, that we had a support here? 167, 610, 620. And we had a clean candle below. We had a beautiful closure below. The next candle wicked up. I took the retest. So I got in at 610. Stop loss above here for around about 10 pips. Actually, I put it on the 30-minute high. So 14 pips. And then my target was... was it 420? Yeah, 420 was the first target because it's a great number. For around about 20 pips, which was great. And then, yeah, unfortunately, the runner couldn't continue. So what I did in terms of a runner, let me just show you. So TP1 was 20 pips, which is right around here. TP2 was actually all the way down at 167. I thought we were going to get a nice drive, and obviously because I got the retest entry, so safe. But then this 15-minute closed bullish, doji. The next one broke the high. So when it broke the high there, I cut off half of my runner because I wanted to, a runner is just to maximize your profits, right? if I know that that's not a good sign for this to, you know, it's going to probably continue further up, and I can cut my half my run rate at 20 pips, I'll do so, right? And then the rest hit there. So if you look at the calculator, just managing your, you know, runner can help. So obviously 19, we got 19 pips at the start for 0.8 of the trade, and then we got I think it was pretty much 19. Was it 19 there? Yeah, pretty much the same thing. So I'd say 18 there. So 18 times by 0.1, because that's the half of the runner left, and then obviously the other runner just hit break even. So there you go, got 17. So there you go. You go on to that, because that's the true value, 17 pips that you gained. 17 pipperoonies. And then you go to here, and there you go, 17 pips gained, 14 pips stop, 1.7% gain. Yeet. And yeah, that was a beautiful retest entry. We took around about 2 pips drawdown. And yeah. I think I want a trend line. Wait, anyone else look at gold break above 5-minute trend line retest? Just join Zoom. Like this. Is there some down here? Like this, maybe? Yeah, I see it. However, I mean, it looks pretty good. Like it's got a nice low wick. But is this the one that you've got, Paulie? Because if it is, I'll go through why I wouldn't like it.
Yeah, no, somebody just. I appreciate it's got like a resistance on the left.
Yeah, that's the
and that's why you're
100%. But that's a nice low. That's a nice fucking low wick, eh?
I just wondered only because I was looking. I didn't want to interrupt you. Sorry.
No, it's good. It's good.
I joined
50
late.
minutes close. 50 minutes screen though. 30 minute. Got a res there. Yeah. So I'm gonna wait a little bit higher up. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got.
What do you think? Like a 12?
What? 17, 12.
Yeah.
1711.6 to be precise.
Nice.
Yeah, just come back to that resistance there. Would be nice.
I sleeping and dreaming with this fucking trade last night.
Gold shop overnight. No, it's flatlining. Yeah. Goldie was mad yesterday, eh?
I feeling he go up.
What news was it, Max, that caused that?
I actually didn't check. I'm pretty sure it's probably something to do with the Senate stuff. But let's just take a look. I didn't actually.
Obviously,
check.
dollar's got weaker. I can see that.
Fed parks planes as a weak demand prompts.
Nice, Andrea.
Steps.
Right.
That was 5 hours ago. When was it? When did it start to rally?
It was in the afternoon.
2 o'clock.
It was for about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Was it 3 o'clock?
So
That's when it really.
how many
pushed.
hours does that ago? I can't do the maths. So
How many
yeah,
hours?
5. So that was 8 for 24. So it's
15.
16, 15. Yeah. Okay. So it's like here. US likely to head for mid-recession in 2023 from Boston Fed President. Okay, that'll do it. Yeah. I mean, I don't know why it was such a fucking shock to people. But anyway. So yeah, looking like GJ's actually rejected this Asian high. Interesting. On gold looks very nice, then there can be a good retest also trendline rate. Yeah, it's about this one, Tom. Yeah, I think that one could be pretty good, eh? Make sure it's actually on it. There we go. Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe as well. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and put the notifications on so you know when I'm streaming. It did push 170 pips in 3 minutes. Oh my god. That was mad. Yeah, I think this could be pretty good, eh? Because then 15, 30-minute resistance is all there as well. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, we did a simulation session yesterday. My god, it was hard January for the fucking trend line. Gold was moving ass that month. So, but I'm gonna rinse them all out. So yeah, good resistance forming on GJ, but the zone below is painfully bad. Painfully bad. unfortunately. Didn't know Friday is a US bank holiday. Is it? Friday US bank holiday? Oh yeah. US bank holiday. What's it for? Veterans Day. Ah. Veterans Day. Let's take a look at next week. Veterans Week. Let's take a look here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that so far this week. 2.5 there. Oh yeah. Good stuff. So yeah, this GJ is starting to push down. But it's just so ugh. Oh, that was a nice little tap on gold. Great. Didn't know Friday's a bank holiday. So yeah, would have filling in nicely this morning. Manuel's in the building.
Manuel laughing yesterday.
Why? Because you using a bigger bong hit.
Big bad tree bong head.
Wow, it's still pushing down. My God, look at that spike.
I'm lucky that they listened to you about Bitcoin last time that I asked you, Max.
Yeah, boy.
Max.
I told you, shit is not going
Yeah,
up.
I take everything that I have up there.
Yeah. Oh, didn't close above. Did you read the news about FTT USD? I watched it on Ted's story. Yeah. Pretty mad. So see, this hourly is gonna close in 5 minutes time as well. Wow, look at GJ. Any entries you can find under 3 or anything? Wow, it's like a fucking big W. Has it got a? Oh, it's right at 168 as well. Can you see? So yeah, I'm not playing with GJ. Especially how big are the spreads still? Probably. 2 pips. Hell no. Hell to the no. Hell no.
Mine are 3.1 at the moment.
Oh.
There's no point trading GJ when it's like
no, there's no point at all. Nope.
Somebody got in gold?
Huh?
Nobody got into gold?
Nah, mine didn't close above. Are you in, boy?
Yeah.
Did you close above on your terminal?
Sorry?
Did it close above on your terminal?
Yeah, the previous candle, and then it retested the trend line.
Oh, have you got another one? Just look at the
Oh yeah, I got the one that you marked before.
Yeah, I just took a small position, very small position, the one that I mentioned. But
yeah, like that. Yeah. Oh, but that was the one before though, Manuel, eh?
Right?
Was that another 5 minute before? Look here. That way.
Yeah, that's the one I took.
Ah, okay.
yeah,
Yeah, that was decent.
I was a little bit scared because the 5 minutes didn't have a top wick, but I liked the retest and the stops were so small. So
yeah.
let's see.
3 pips by probability. Yeah. Tunis left. Obviously, the hourly as well is going to come, so it's going to make probably quite a big bottom wick. So I'll have to wait for that as well. We'll see. Where's Ted's handle on IG? Silent in the chart or something? Silent in the charts. Still don't like this gold. Yeah. Well, mine hasn't closed above, so I'm still leaving it. Actually, where's your friend? The one that sounded more like Russian? Oh, man. I don't know, probably fighting with Russia or something. Let me take a look at EJ as well, just to see in case anything's going on. The 4 hours ranging a little bit. Yeah, nothing too much going on here. Whoa. Max, who will win? Who will win the World Cup? I think Brazil. I think Brazil's team is.
Really?
Yeah, man. Brazil's team is fire.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they've got a good team. England not even gonna cut. Well, our manager is fucking useless. So.
Who is it? Southgate still?
Yeah, he's fucking shit. He picks players depending on like what they've done for him or whatever. It's like, well, we don't care about that.
Really?
Put the fucking like you'll happily pick Maguire. It's like fucking just stop with your shit. Just put the players that are playing well.
Yeah.
Having a discussion if Trippier should come. Like Trippier is the best right back you could possibly have right now. He is a good team player. He's a good captain. He can defend really well. He can win balls. He can pass the ball. Like, he has to be in the team. Fucking tired if not. EJ 50-minute valid trend line, Max? I have no idea. I don't trade trend lines on EJ or Gold. So even if there was one, I can't really use it. I think you mean this one like down here, maybe. Maybe. Looking like Goldie's pushing. So the hourly's gonna make it bottom wick first as well, so or maybe not. Or maybe not. Wow, that hourly is a fucking mango push there, man. Let's wait for that hourly low wick. He's like, nope. GJ, 50-minute closed, bearish, solidly bearish, made a top wick already. Retest entry was probably right there, guys. Just showing the spreads and stuff, but how big would your stops be if you got in there? 13 pips.
It's probably going to come down and create the bottom wick though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, if you guys have already in a gold trade, take that bitch off. Take profits.
Dude.
Yeah. Because if you think about it again, just in terms of TPs, it's already tapped it. Already tapped it. So for me personally here, this is kind of a no-go now for me because we've already came and tapped the TP. So if I want to get in, it's already hit the TP, and normally that can suggest that we maybe make some resistance. Might tap the zone reject. So, well, that was nice. Good opportunity. I mean, my channel didn't close above, but good stuff for people getting in maybe a little bit earlier. Yeah.
Today I'm waiting for you, Max.
You are?
Don't touch my screen. Only if you say he's dead.
I like this GJ to continue down, man. It's a very, very strong closure. It's a nice retrace. It's just the stops. Sorry, it's just the spread's a little bit shady, but it's reasonable. Let's take a look at the 30. Because you also like how the hourly has no bottom wick yet, so it's going to probably make 1A. So I'll probably paper trade this one. The reason why I'm not taking it is because the zone itself is fucking garbage. But if this is a little bit cleaner, it's the retest. So it'd be like this. Stop loss above the previous. continue to fill. So, like that. Why markets move very choppy? Do you mean choppy? I don't think they are. I don't think they are at the moment. I think it's okay. So back on the daily flip. Is there any areas a little bit higher up it's got to push? No. This shit's launching. So yeah, still no hourly bottom wick. It's only Wednesday as well. Wow, we've got still a long time to go. In terms of where you'd want to trade now on gold. So yeah, like if this hourly comes up, I'm still not taking it because this hourly's got to make a lower wick at some point. I don't want to be caught in that. Don't want to be caught in that at all. Let's take a look at EJ as well. EJ's kind of doing the same thing. GJ's pushing all the way back up, but that's what you get when there's bad price action. So it's good to backtest it though, but I always like to, you know, if the charts aren't looking good, if it's looking a little bit shitty, the zone below, then I'd rather just paper it. And right now I'd be in some drawdown, right? So I'm glad I didn't take it. Still think it should work out maybe eventually, but Reece James too? Yeah, Reece James would be good. Brazil or the team that beat Brazil will win it. I hope that's Portugal. Nah, I think Brazil are gonna win. Neymar's on form. They've got Bruno Guimaraes, fucking class in the centre. They've got Vinicius Jr. They've got so many players. They've got Alisson. They've got the best goalkeeper in the world. They've got one of the best centre backs ever, Thiago Silva. They've got Dani Alves in the locker room. He won't play much though, but they've got a sick team. So yeah, it's, as I said, it's already kind of hit TP1, which sucks. Retest entry though there, my god. Let's take a look at GJ now. Reacting off it maybe a little bit. Yeah, 50-minute support too. Don't worry, we have Harry. How are you fucking Harry Maguire? So there's the rejection. Now push down, boy. How much would the stop speed now? 12 pips. Because now it's giving me the rejection. Interesting. Interesting. So it's not coming home anymore? No. Fuck coming home. If we win that, I'll be very shocked. The way he plays is the manager's shit. If it was a good manager, we could win, but... Like, good football now is controlling the possession constantly. Wing backs always running up. Pressurizing, very pressing teams. Man, Gareth Southgate don't have the facilities for that, big man. GJ 1 hour salary would be nice. If it gets there later on. If this zone was clean above, man, this retest there is beautiful. But obviously we've pretty much already hit the TP. There's also 50-minute res, and there's no hourly low wick. Right. Why don't England use the money to pay the referees instead of for the coaching staff? Do you think Ronaldo will arrive sharp? He'll still play decent. I don't think he's going to be doing too much. So yeah, look at this GJ. Ugh. She nasty. She hella nasty. Break retest there. Yeah, so if that was just a little bit cleaner, it'd be good. 43 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Harry will kick Pope and score for the opponent. Anyone on the stream going to Qatar? I swear they've got a team now. I swear they've got a football team, but they've just... I'm pretty sure they bribed a bunch of Brazilians to come and stay with them for a while so they could get a Qatar passport. I think I saw a thing on TikTok. So they've got like all Brazilians and that. GJ buy above 168 230, right? 168 230, yeah, potentially. Like 250, yeah. I don't know if I'm the only one who has noticed, but that the market consolidates a lot on Wednesdays, like to take a break from these big pushes. Ah, very interesting. Yeah, some people don't like trading Wednesdays. I've seen that on TikTok as well. Have you ever heard of the course ACCA, and would you recommend it? Never heard of it. Never heard of it. Yeah, I mean, both GJ... Well, did GJ move yesterday? Yeah, it moved quite a lot yesterday as well, didn't it? Moved hella a lot, actually. So looking like GJ's coming back up. Nice. Out of break even, yeah. Well, look at this candle, my fucking god. I just don't like the way... Even if you've got a closure above there, I'm going to be a little bit cautious due to the fact that this spreads are a little bit shit. So nice, looking like goalie's going to continue with no bottom wick still. Came pretty close to the retest. There's a TP. In terms of TPs above, where would it continue to? Well, probably this resistance is there. 1713 would be nice. That would be good. Oh, I really wanted that fucking buy too, man. If that candle just had a lower wick, that one there. That, oh. I mean, look at the lower wicks before, quite big. To be fair, it didn't even come and retest. Came pretty close. How many pips is that? Yeah, like 22 pips. 2 pepperoonies. Oh my god, we're flying. Coming back up to Asian highs, 1712.6. Very nice. And then above, I mean, you know, if you've got in down there, your runner could be quite nice all the way back up to 1716, maybe. 1716. So let's just see you got in there.
Anybody take this trade?
I did.
Well,
Did you get in second time or not? Or did you just hold your first one?
I got in the second time as well.
Yeah.
That's great.
Beautiful. She's gonna rock it, boy. Do, do, do. What a fucking stink. Look at that candle as well. Oh, the mangoes today and the Goldie. Oh. Bloody beautiful, mate. So yeah, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, closure above on that candle. The retracement was okay. Already kind of hit my TP, which is a bit annoying. But, I mean, I suppose it didn't hit the body, so it's still, the zone was big enough. But my only cause of concern is when price comes back down here and the hourly's got no wick, I expect to have a bit of a draw down here. And it didn't. So it's a one-off candle. Look at that hourly low. No low wick. Damn. Okay, GJ coming up. above 250 maybe. This hourly still got no low wick. 4 hours flipped, broken the previous high. I don't know about it yet. Buys of 1717 are clean. 1717? Yeah, but it's buying the highs. Buying the highs never works, really. I think buys above 1713 are going to be nice. Sorry, is that on the 15? Yeah. That could be good. Daylight savings, is it London open now or next hour? Next hour. 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes it'll be. Are we gonna break this, GJ? Come on, boy. I was so tempted to get in there, but I was like, oh, just the lower wick, the amount of drawdown that I'm gonna take this fucking hourly lower wick. The retest was so nice though. Oh. So made support pretty quickly and early on in the day, eh? Oh, nice.
I took a small loss on GJ.
You take the retest.
Yeah, I took the retest on the 1 minute that you had there. Came into profit a little bit.
Yeah.
Not enough to put B.
Yeah.
But I managed to stop, so I got 5 pips stops or 4 pips, something like that.
Yeah, I think a lot of people took it. Great work though, man. Amazing. And that's a good thing about the retest, right? If you don't get the reaction straight away and it starts to come up, you just cut that bitch. You know what I mean? Like, because the retest entry is so tight. Same as the GJ one yesterday. Like, if we took the...
Oh my god, looking gold.
Yeah, boy. Looking at the GJ one yesterday, if you actually take a look at it, this one here, obviously, if you start pushing back up in this zone and into these areas, then you can just cut it at, like, you know, minus 6 pips. Because it really needs to respect this level. So look, still respecting that resistance. Still respecting it. Candle didn't close above our current res, but that's fine. That would be the first take profit. That would be the second up there. So let's just go through this, right? If you took the trade and where you would have taken profits, right? Let's just say you got in there, right? Stop loss below. So TP1 on the body of the candle we'd always like, because it always hits it. So there was TP1. TP2 would be coming up to these areas. Yeah, you'd probably... Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, you would be probably closing something towards these areas. Why? Well, that's a bit of an OB area as well, so it's already been mitigated, but it could be a little bit of a issue. So probably around them areas, maybe at the daily flip. 23 pips, stop loss was 10. Bloody gorgeous, mate. Yeah, 45 minutes left for London. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we're still pushing, boy. It's good that we're making all this clean zone though, so later on when we get back down here, wow, we're gonna get some nice pushes down. Maybe later on in the year, or maybe next year. This could be the low for a very long time. Because realistically, it's not gonna come down any soon. Why would you want gold to... Why would gold come down with all of this traffic with terms of recessions, all of this news of recessions and all that kind of stuff? Will you buy GJ break of the 50-minute candle high? Nope. Why wouldn't I? Someone tell me why I wouldn't. There.
Because we have support. The resistance. Sorry.
Yeah.
We hit
Right,
resistance.
hit resistance, man. It's
Steve sold there.
beautiful. You put it in the chat?
Yeah, Telegram. Oh, Jonathan, well done. What a great trade.
Oh my god. Oh no, he sold gold, not GJ.
Yeah, gold.
Yeah. Super can happen. GJ 30-minute closure would be nice. Yeah, that's what you gotta wait for, man. 100%. That is what you've gotta wait for.
I believe gold this month go to 62 again.
1762 or 1662?
No, 1762.
Wow.
This week?
Maybe.
No, this month.
This month. Oh.
You can write in your book if you want.
Oh, where was that OB area that we had as well marked up? Oh, I deleted it. What the fuck is it? Up there.
You go check, Max.
62, I remember. But Manuel, we got a OB up here. Quite a big one as well.
Yep.
Let's just reduce it. Oh, look at that reduce. Yup.
If he go to 32, like I tell you, he go to 62.
It breaks it. Oh, it's double that end, isn't it? Minimize it a little bit more. There we go. Probably minimize it even more on the 5. It's a 30 pip stops, so then I'll do another one. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off, I'm not giving you any of my fucking money. Stupid trading view. Yeah, well, maybe halfway through there. You can see on terminal. Yeah, that's true. So that'll be nice when it comes to there, 100%. Gold sells below 1707 will be a dream come true. Yeah, I think below 1707, I don't think you're going to get a massive move, by the way. I don't think it's going to retrace that whole way. It'll retrace a little bit, but I don't think it's going to retrace that far. Maybe to 1707. GJ breaking the highs, see if it can push. As I said, though, still not really asked. This will be an impulsive trade. Where would you put your stops as well? So if you got in there, stop loss could be there, 7 pips, but that's very risky. There, 27 pips. The zone above is 24 pips, so it's alright. It's not the best, but it's not bad. 7042.2 on the 5-minute OV. Okay, I'll take a look. Put that on. But what about that massive But what about that massive imbalance? What do you mean? On gold, you mean? Right, quickly go to the toilet. It'll be 2 minutes. Do-do-do. Okay, looking like Goldie's found its res. It's also forming an OBA. Yeah, see it on the 5. So that could be quite interesting. Maybe just come and retest later on. We can maybe test it out. Oh, and look, GJ failed to break at the moment. So yeah, it's this thing, man. Especially with the price action, you gotta have a bit more confirmation. It's also still very early now. It's only 7:24. 7:24. And there will be the hourly low wick being formed. So I'm gonna eye this up later on. Nice, Stevie. Mind you, well, if this makes a top wick, touches the box, stop loss above. Try it out. So, GJ, you gonna try again? Come on, do it this time. Do it! GJ's setting up. GJ's just doing what it wants to do, right? Needs to break, that's what it needs to do. So, did the 15 close yet? No, 4 minutes left. So I'm just gonna try this because it's made an OB, it's broken below. If we could have retested to the OB, stop loss above would be interesting. I'm still learning, still seeing them, but I see them quite a lot on the 5 minutes, and they seem to work. So I'll be just paper trading this, seeing how it works out. Stop loss would be 9 pips as well, so pretty good. 9 pipperoos. Mate, it's struggling to fucking break that, eh?
Yeah.
It's not like
Kind of
it.
got support of 17.10 there on the 1 minute, but I think it looks like it's all the 1 minutes are creating little top wicks. I think it's going to push down.
Yeah.
Break even.
Yeah. There's also a little retest area there, I suppose. Bye, love you. See you later. Do do do. Do do. So look at the Goldie. Go on, GJ. God, people in these buys now, I'll be sweating it. The issue is if this doesn't push, what tends to happen is these. Can you see these 5 minutes are kind of losing volume a little bit? What will happen is you get a candle that opens, it just goes voof, and then you get wiped out.
In one go.
Yeah. Well, it loses a bit of fuel if it doesn't push now. Yep, but it can go off the range, so the retest can be now and not to the OB. Oh, so you mean here, Andrea? Yeah. Yeah. Man is sweating real hard right now. Told you, if you want sweaty balls, trade GJ this week. I've already had it a couple of times. I'm fucking backing off it. Oh shit, I didn't actually change this. 1 sec.
If you trade in gold, you have sweat balls almost, buddy.
Gold's been beautiful this month. And last month. It's been easy.
I think the whole year.
Check GJ Maxi on the 15-minute. Would you think we could reject a box? Can you put it a little bit higher up? A little bit.
Where?
Speed.
68,789.
68,789.
Yeah, you see it there.
Oh,
Up,
there.
up.
Yeah. I see. So let's just take a look. It's tapping the level. I just want to see if this will work out. Just testing it out. Where's actually that level as well? So paper trading is a really good thing to just see how things work. And for me here, I'm testing our little OB, but like in a closer proximity, right? Stop loss there would be 9. Continue down. 50-minute close as well. It's actually on the previous 50-minute high as well, so that's quite interesting. See if it holds. Okay, so in terms of GJ now, GJ closed above. Yeah, GJ closed above. Is it a 30-minute that closed above as well? Yeah, it did. So that's decent. That is decent. In terms of waiting for stuff, so we've got a 30-minute closure. Take a look at the 15-minute. I just don't know if I trust these candles. I don't know if I trust them on GJ. No bottom wick in the previous 30. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. GJ about to nut. Yeah, I don't trust this GJ. I don't know why. I just don't like the fives. The fives haven't retraced at all. There's going to be one candle that goes. I'd rather make this lower wick first, to be honest. So yeah, breaking above 300. The zone above's pretty good though, eh? And a little bit of resistance there, 350. But apart from that, it isn't actually too bad at all. It's not bad at all, boy.
Goldie.
Just check the chat. So broke 50-minute, 5-minute high. But would you still be in? You probably have a pip above anyway, so.
Took an entry as the 3-minute broke the previous high because the 3-minute gave you a doji.
Oh, here?
So I looked, yeah. So I looked on the 1-minute, created support. So I got in as the the bullish candle broke above the previous high. My entry in gold was 10.93.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I guess Stevie's gonna sell again because it tapped the resistance.
I'd rather miss it's waiting for a rejection rather than getting out. Yeah. Gold monthly looking interesting. Yeah. Is it accelerate on the GJ daily max? Oh. Yeah, if it breaks the high there. Yeah. I wish I took the gold celery daily yesterday, man. Fuck. Should have had a buy stop on it. You know what I mean? Because if you look here in terms of price action, my fucking god. So, this is the zone. We closed
Max,
above.
where would your no joke? Where would your stop have been? 'Cause
So obviously you have to just risk it for a chocolate biscuit. I wouldn't be
Right.
looking at it though. I'd just be having a buy stop here for the whole day and just going, well, you know, I'll probably just look on the lower time frames. When it got to there, yeah, you'd probably just say 20 pip stop, right? 20 pip stop will be on the current candle low or something like that. You just have to go for it like that. Yeah. Take a look at Goldie now. We've rejected, and that OB, if your stop's a little bit higher up, it'd still be in, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so you stop there 409, you put it a little bit higher, like 660, and you'd still be in here now, and now you'd be in profit. Nice. To continue back down to the lows, 1707 would be great. So, interesting. Just trying to think of, I mean, what you could do here, instead of getting in there with the push-up, wait for a 1 minute to close bearish there, and get a higher entry. I'm looking GJ's to close 1 hour candle at retest 160 rejection from that area and continue going up. Very nice. I am waiting on GJ to do anything in a good, nice range. Here, it's... Look at these 5 minutes. I'm not fucking touching this. I could see, I could picture in my head exactly what happens. Everyone, you know, gets the buys, breaks the highs, and there will be one candle that goes, and I'll happily take the sells later on. I'm on the 3 minute on gold. Yep. So, obviously the paper traded one, as I said in the group, I'm still taking them. So, it got to my stop loss. Yeah, I had 1 pip spare. 1 pip spare. How did the midterm elections go? Oh yeah, people in America, how did this midterm elections go and stuff? Nice, Steve. Steve, what was your entry? Mine was 1711.6. I bet you got in fucking 1712.6. Still counting, or Democrats won? Oh.
1712 to 09.
Nice.
Pretty much on the line.
Bloody gorgeous.
But if it goes back up there, I won't be taking it again.
So why is that now, Stevie?
It's got its bottom wick on the 1 hour.
Good lad. Good lad. I like that. That's actually sick, you know, because you know that if the hourly's not got a bottom wick, it's probably like you're gonna make one.
78%,
Yeah.
according to the crazy Indian Raja.
So there we go. My little entry worked. Sick. Just finger bash them. Different points. So in terms of actually TPs as well, if we were doing this as a group, that would have been the first one, the first level it could struggle at. Second one will be just filling the zone, probably down to here. That's what it would be. Take a look. Decent bottom wick, GJ. Look at that! I fucking drew the candle, bro. I fucking drew the candle. Knew it was gonna happen. And why do I know that was going to happen? Because of the candles that they were giving me, presenting me.
Might do a fake out on the 15 minute.
Mhm.
Broke the low already off it.
Yeah. Do. But like goalie's bringing in the volume as well again. Beautiful.
Yes, Goldie, retest of the Teddy. 10 pips.
That's doff.
Oh.
It was just, hi Max, hope you're good. I stepped out for 5 minutes, came back, and you entered gold. Do you mind explaining entry again? This is just what I've been. This won't make any sense to anyone. It's just I'm going through live trading OBs as well, it's like an order block. For me, there was an order block here. This candle here was the change in. So this is the candle before the change in direction and break of structure. So when we normally when we come and tap into the zone, we get a nice sell off. So when we tapped into the zone, this is the area I want. When we tap into the zone, I took a sell there. I also took one a little bit higher up as well. And then stop loss above the zone, so like there. And then yeah, got reaction off it, which is great. Just another one to add to my journal. I just keep on adding them to my journal. Sorry. So that one there, stop loss was like 10. Sorry, yeah, like 10, 11 pips. TP was around about 13, 14. So wicked, dude.
I think I'm gonna try GJ today if it breaks 5 minute trend line.
Have you looked at
Because
it a
we
lot?
have ascendant, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on it. We are pushing down now. If we close below it and a retest, I might take the sucker.
Yeah, this GJ is doing exactly what I drew before as well, guys. You would have said. I said I want the closure back below. Look at that before, man. I literally drew
You got it spot on, Max.
Yeah, boy. It's
You
this.
can do this for a living, mate.
It's this here. Can you see like they're quite small and there's quite a lot of wicks to the upside? It kind of suggests it's running out of fuel. And then normally when everyone's like trying to get in on these breaks here, they'll get bomber clatted. So you go. Yeah.
Definitely did.
Yep.
Did anyone take the Goldie trendline retest?
Yeah,
well.
Manuel did.
I did.
Sorry, I missed it.
Was it on that one before? Was it on the same one as
Same one from the top.
It was.
That one, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. Just take a look at the lower time frame. Oh, literally reacted straight off it.
Manuel, are you taking it like as it taps it, or are you waiting to actually see what it does? Because obviously it must have just hit it and bounced.
No, I take in these situations. I just take it as they tap, and I put around 10 to 15 pip stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's a retracement on the trend line, and if we get a push of it, we get more than 20, 30 pips.
Right.
Because so then I'm really comfortable with the stops.
Amazing. Okay.
GJ 1 hour no bottom wick. Yep, it's probably gonna make one, eh? Probably gonna make one. Let's take a look at GJ now. Oh wow, what a nut. So all the people there trying to take the buys. Be a little bit careful.
Yeah, you had to be like a cowboy motherfucker, but you had the 1 minute M formation. There you go.
Didn't retest it though, it was a bit annoying.
No, it did not. That's why I mean you needed to be a very big cowboy.
Hourly salary on GJ, maybe at London? Yeah, maybe. If it can hold it, but it looks like it's probably gonna make it already. Wow, look at that. GJ is no man's land. No man's land. GJ is doing its thing.
Wow.
DJ junk.
Too right, Steve. Too right.
Looking at GU bars again.
if you look at the 1 minute where GJ might reject, it's coming there now.
Yeah.
Might reject.
Uh-huh. It's already hit the 5 minute one actually. Is it? Yeah. Thanks for that. Thanks, brother. That's me. Yeehaw. Sold 168275. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Do. Where's 168 as well? Yeah, there. I like GJ rejection hourly. Yeah, it's looking good. It's just the zone below is also pretty fucking miserable. So we'll see. We've got 50 minutes left for the 8 o'clock open. Probably just wait for that. I don't know why people trade GJ intraday ranges. Yeah. GJ is clean in 50 minutes and above. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how London forms right now. 50-minute close bearish though. Nice. Gonna make a nice top wick here. But I'm probably gonna wait until this London Open, to be honest. Goalie's looking a little bit sus now, I'm not gonna lie, so I'd back off from that. Really good talks though today, guys. Class work. FOMO just smoked. Fear of missing out just smoked me. Wow, look at that now. So when you start to see this with gold, you just go, right, that's me done. I've taken my trades, or I haven't taken my trades. I took one nice winning trade there for the OB. Obviously, it doesn't count though because I'm still back testing it. And for me personally, if I'm a streamer and I'm taking trades that I'm back testing, I'm not going to call them out. I talk about them and I say, taking this as a paper, but I am going to be taking them because I want to see how it happens in terms of my stops. Like there, my stop loss a bit higher above, and that saved me with the trade. So it's very important in terms of that. Not trading gold, but I think it's bullish. Well, yeah, you'd be pretty right to see it's bullish. Look at it. Pretty bullish, pretty bullish. So yeah, I mean, below this level for sells, it's still choppy, man. It's not the nicest. GG suit could play, but nasty price action. Yeah. 100%, man. Closure below, the Asian levels. It's just the zone is a little bit shit. Yeah, I agree. I agree. As you said today, in terms of news, I think we're actually not too bad.
There is not one single red folder.
I know.
News today.
No, that's quite nice, eh? Compared to last week. Compared to last week, that ain't bad at all.
Manuel?
Yeah.
So with that retest, obviously now it's retesting again, but is it like similar like with order blocks? First time is better than second time maybe not so much, and
yeah,
the chance.
I just take the first retest. Now, if it retests again, I won't take it.
Okay.
Because if you look at it now, the 5 minute made a top wick, and now it's rejecting this box which we were in. And if you look at the 3 minute, you have from the push up, it pushed down, and then you have an M formation, which is closing now below the M. So if the 3 minutes comes up, makes top wick, rejects say 10.82, then it's rejecting the neckline, pull to push down.
Okay. I got it. Thank you.
And the 15 minutes look ugly as well.
Yeah.
Is this breaking? Is this flipping the hourly now? GJ hourly flip. It's a shame that the zone below is a bit hard to find what zones you'd want. Damn. In terms of Goldie as well, Goldie's pushing down.
Yeah, the dollar price is like consolidating as well, really,
Yeah.
at the moment.
So there's GJ celery playing the 30 minute. What could you have used there? Maybe 15-minute stops there. 12 pips. 10 minutes left for this London Open. We'll see then what we can get. We'll see what we can get. 5-minute closed. Bearish and gold. Retest happening right now. Got the 15. Got a good rejection as well. So, interesting. It's going to be an interesting London Open today. Oh, my shoulder is fucking sore. 63 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Yen is also ranging, no GJ trade, everything waiting for CPI now. Ooh.
CPI.
When is CPI? Tomorrow? Oh, yeah. I don't think it's waiting for CPI, I just think it's had a massive move yesterday.
There's a long way for CPI still.
Yeah.
We have London Open now, and then we have New York, and then we have Nice, so fuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm actually taking any trades. I'm taking that little gold OB one. So let's see how this closes. 7 minutes left.
I hate these 7 minutes.
You are? I hate them.
Yeah.
You still in GU, Steve?
Yeah.
Oh, that hourly really scares me fucking.
Well, it's tap the res, so
Yeah.
Goldie looks like it may be coming back up. Yeah, Goldie looks shocking now. Look at the fucking 5 minute, my days.
Yeah, rejected the trend line again.
Yeah.
come on. Break it, you bitch. Yes.
What?
I'm gonna go break even.
And there's GU.
Yeah.
GU. GJ looks good.
I think I'm gonna go break even on GJ as well.
Did you take the celery?
No, I took the retest of the trend line on the 3 minutes.
Ah, yeah, you tried it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Nice. Let's take a look and see if it makes sense in the 5 as well.
Yeah, the 5 closed below it and then came to retest.
Yeah. Nicely. In EJ sells. Very nice. Very nice. Dum 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 dum. 5 minutes left. Look at this Goldie coming back up again, my god. My days. Just look at the 5 minute. Just goes bullish.
Fuck you, Gold. I hate when Gold does this.
What do you mean?
Oh, they comes all the way to tap me out at break even, comes half a pip down, and then just rinse.
Yeah. Shit just rinses.
I hate when it does that.
How is that? Yeah, 16, 17, 17, 17. I think it's gonna still continue, eh? Why is my thing not working there? So yeah, coming towards it now. I mean, yeah, the 8 o'clock candle is, you know, it's okay in terms of where GA is gonna go. It looks good for sells, but my god, the zone is just ridiculously shit. In terms of gold, yeah, gold may be able to push out of this zone again. If it breaks above 1730, wow, this is gonna be a big push again. It's gonna be a big push again. How big's this zone as well? 46 pips. Huge zone. I took a sell on GJ 168221 and closed 16808. Now worrying of the trade. Wait, what? We're not worrying of the trade now. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, so if you take a look at the 4 hour, we're at 4 hour support now. Ugh. A little bit sus. Wow, holding that trend line so well. In terms of getting in though for the gold, we'll have to see. Right now, there's nothing that comes up to me, to be honest. The trend line's the one.
Yeah, I just drew another trend line, which, you know, have 2 touches. That's, I don't know about it.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We're going to start streaming closest there. Quite big. Hi, good job there. Could you please explain the trend lines and how to use them in trading decisions? I normally go through them quite a lot. in the group. But it's quite a lot. It's not just one little thing. It takes quite a while to explain them. So if you want to learn more from that, then come and join the squad. I can't be asked to go through the whole 5-minute trendline strategy. Look at GJ. Wow. We have 5 minutes. Beautiful. Yeah, that 5-minute trendline worked, eh?
Yeah.
Pretty class.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, in terms of the sells now at 8 o'clock, which people are looking for, it's as a broker past that 4-hour support. Yeah. Next 4-hour support is right there. Yeah. Check on GJ. What's your move on London Open? No idea. Probably still bearish, right? Looking like it's launching down, but there is support as if there's nothing that I would want to take until we come below 353. Keep dropping. What's the opposite of sweaty balls? Dry balls.
That bitch.
How come GJ didn't qualify for back in the zone trade? It did. It did qualify. Up here. Stop loss is quite big though, 27 pips, and the zone was very choppy, so I decided to stay out of it. I like it when the zone's normally quite clean. Yeah.
What?
Goldie, 5-minute move breaking the previous high. Pushing up, breaking the 50-minute, 30-minute highs maybe, and maybe the hourly soon. Yeah,
Easy to get out of GU to get taken out there.
Yeah, there the runner got took out. Yeah,
runner.
and then as soon as it tapped, 1523, I bought in again. Currently at 10 pips.
Goldie had a little push up.
Goldie piece of shit.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe getting in on the 5-minute study there, but it was very impulsive with the 8 o'clock volume. But it seemed like it worked because it was also breaking the 1530s. How far would you have got out there? Yeah, 12 pips so far.
Now looking at the 3 minutes. 3 minute close in 2 minutes. If we get a retest of the trend line, we should retest on that res as well.
Yep.
If it does not fly now under the 5,000 pips. Oh.
Oh. Beautiful. Yeah, 5 minutes already worked there. 50-minute break of the highs, a lot of volume, beautiful stuff. Is this did the news come out yet? Let's take a look here. No, USD. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, the FOMC guy is speaking. So this is why it's probably just pushing over here. Yeah.
Motherfucker.
It was a daily break, was it? No, it wasn't. It was a 4-hour break at the high, but it kind of did that before. But nice, man.
Well, we swooped Asian highs now, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. In terms of GJ, is there any retest areas you can do? Yeah, it's hard because it's on the support now, coming above the 4-hour support as well. Look at that candle. Oh.
Yeah, GJ have no bottom watch on none of the time frames.
Yeah. So let me just see over here, because I think that trend line retest is going to be too far now. So the support here, sorry, there's resistance here at 1713, closure above there. Yeah, so it was just an impulsive trade, right? Breaking the highs. The confidence I had maybe with it was that it was breaking 15-minute highs, 30-minute highs, hourly previous highs, with 4 hour previous highs with 8 o'clock volume. So, you know, you can start to kind of like pick and mix which ones. Because I think that one's actually not too bad. Because you had more confidence than just, oh, I'm just gonna take a buy when the 8 o'clock opens, because you're breaking a lot of time frame highs, and you've clearly got the direction, so it was okay. Let's take a look. Paybacks may even pay for me. Not gonna lie, payback effects may even pay for me to join a certain FX streamers group. Yeah, Manuel, we did what was it called? We did the stream yesterday. Sorry, the simulation yesterday. My God, January was hard on gold.
Yeah.
For the trend line, it was fucking cack. But like, there was no. We took like 5 trades in like 19 days.
It was TP1, Paulie, 24 pips.
Oh, mate.
Bloody gorgeous.
Brilliant, mate.
And it's blasted through again.
Oh, who's taking the GJ retest? Where would your stops be? Yeah. So it's broken. It'll be retesting the trend line as well. What do you think on a trading on a $100 account? Great, if you can do it. If you can do it, it's good stuff, man. I mean, trading on a $100 account, I literally did that through the whole of the start of my Instagram, just to show people that it can be done.
Yeah, I think one should go with like an account with $100 or $200 instead of demo. Why? Because demo does not teach you emotions when you are on say 10 pip drawdown, as if you are with a €200 account, and then say you use a 0.02 and you see €3 negative, you'll see, oh my god, and that is good for you to learn.
And also as well, Manuel, it also means that you probably, it depends how much money you've got, right? If you actually only got $100 and you can't put any more in, then that's fine. But a lot of people probably have some more in the bank, and what they'll do is they'll over leverage, they'll spunk their $200 or $100 account and then redeposit, and then they realize that this is not a nice feeling, and maybe they don't want to do that again.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's quite a powerful thing to do, just so they get used to going, right, okay, what leverage should I have my account on, etc, etc. What lot do you suggest? 0.01? Yeah, 0.01 sounds good. Hit my daily goal by seed LNY entry in Telegram. Beautiful, Jonathan, my man.
Hey Max, if you go close to 13, what do you think? Good buy or a crazy buy?
Close to 13. Yeah, well, we have the trend line. I think probably, Manuel, are you looking to get in?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, potentially if we can come back down over here. To be fair, that could have been the wick, eh?
I was looking at the 3 minutes, but the 3 minutes made a bearish candle and it's now pushing up, so I don't think it will go to the trend line.
Yeah.
The 5 minute just tapped the Asian high.
Yeah.
I was looking at it.
Oh, did it?
To a T.
Where's your Asian high start?
Oh, on mine, 1713.4.
Oh, why is yours different on mine? Oh, because you'll be on different. You'll be on a Wanda.
I met the trader.
No, I'm on TradingView.
Wait.
If you're on TradingView, but you want a different gold to me, then a Wanda? You want a Wanda?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm on a Wanda.
Okay. You must have similar though, no?
Well, mine's a 10 pips difference for the Asian highs. Yeah. Max, do you want to play MW2 later? Yes. Yes. I gotta do all my things for today, and then I'll play it later on. Kane's not actually here today, so I got time free.
TP to it, Paulie. 37 pips.
Oh, beautiful, man. Well done.
That was my Asian eyes on GU.
Yeah, I got break even. I took a small trade. I got break even. Went to the bog and then got break even.
Didn't move
Just before
shit.
I didn't get back in like you.
I had the reaction zone. It reacted off that for 15 pips, and then the reversal zone, it reacted off that for 37. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's see how this GJ holds here. Also, it's 168 as well, so be interesting to see. Obviously, there's no bottom wick yet, so that'll be quite an interesting one. The only thing would be your stops. You could use previous 15 stops, but yeah, it's a big retracement up, eh? I went long on S&P. Good stuff. I'm new on this. Learning on books. Blah blah blah. Wait, what? Funded account or trade with your own money? Which one is best? Well, trading with your own money is best at the start. But if you can do a funded, then good stuff as well. So
When
Goldie
we
made
talk about these low, like $100 accounts, Max, I think they'd be really, really hard to manage.
be really hard to manage.
Yeah, with your fees and everything.
What do you mean with your fees?
And what commission do you get charged on like
It's
a
just,
$100
it's just,
account?
it's just relative. It's just relative, bro. If
So
you've
they don't
got,
have any fixed, it's a percentage.
it's just on the if they use like a broker like mine, so their trade. So obviously mine's like $7 per one lot. If they do a 0.01 lot, they would get charged 7p. It's the same. Like it's just relative, right?
All right. I've never done it, so I don't know. I'm completely
yeah.
ignorant.
No, it's just, and the reason why people don't do it is because the lack of money in there puts them off. Because obviously, they haven't, what's it called? They, like £100 account. If they're trading £1, £2 trades, it doesn't really give you that adrenaline or that kind of thing you gotta, manage. That's why most people don't do it. But if you can do it and you can see that you can consistently do it, then the numbers shouldn't matter. So.
I put 100 quid into a copy account through IC Markets,
Oh yeah.
and it returned 1,700.
Wow.
Yeah.
1700.
It was called something like Aussie Super Trader.
It's Finn. You pay 0.
It was I think it was US 30 he was trading.
US 30. Oh. US 30. US 30. Let's take a look at GG. Yeah, so gold's continued. So yeah, I mean, in terms of today, there hasn't been anything really that I liked. The GJ, the celery play might have been quite nice there if you could find a reasonable stop. In terms of the gold trend lines, the one especially, the fuck was it? Below, yeah. Yeah, I kind of wanted this to come back to the wick, and we didn't, which is unfortunate. We've got very, very close. But we also did kind of hit TP before, really, so I was kind of a bit cautious of that. But that was the one that could have been an entry this morning, but proceed out of it. You pay 0.35. Ah, okay. 0.35. I just can't believe that fucking Bitcoin as well is dying, man.
Aye.
Just don't know about this fucking massive drop. Hey, you'll be pissed.
It's gonna come to 12.
Yeah. That
It is gonna
month
be
ago,
close.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 would be the target. So yeah, for people who are new here, make sure to drop a like, and if you have any questions, make sure to ask me. Been streaming for over a year now. Been chilling here. That's why we've got a big audience. In terms of this start of the month, been pretty hard in terms of taking trades. We've been slapped quite a lot on GJ. But in terms of managing risk, they're all here, and you can see my managing risk this month has been last month, which was really, really good. October was pretty nice. 17% gain. This month I've just came into positive, which is great. But can you see here, look, 4 wins, 6 losses, so not the best compared to like last month so far, but it's just not even halfway through yet. But you can see in terms of managing risk, My L's minus 0.3 there. There's a big L there, actually, minus 1.4, but minus 0.23, minus 0.2, minus 0.5. So as long as you manage the risk, you know, it puts you in an advantageous part when, you know, things start to get better and you start to get some nice entries. Like one trade yesterday put me into the profit, which is great. Yesterday's highs almost. Yeah, we'll see with this. Is there any we said there's an OB above, right, which is a 1722, which is going to be beautiful. To be very, very happy about if we get this there.
Come on, GJ.
I know, you got the retest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Where's your stops? I used 15.
Break even now.
Yeah, nice.
But the stops were based on the 5-minute previous candle, so it was 10 pips.
Yeah, nice. GG has a breaker to deal with. Yeah, so the trade that I talked about here as well, guys, that's this one here. So now at this point, probably very break even, you've hit the level. It should continue back down now. Take a look at the 30. Obviously, there's no bottom wick. Look at the 30-minute. Beautiful work.
1, 2, 3.
That's a good thing about getting a retest entry, you know. Even if it doesn't work, or even if this rallies off, you normally do get break even before it does, which is great. So it's good for managing risk. Let's take a look here. Oh my days, GJ. Beautiful. To the T as well, man. So TP on the downside at yesterday's lows. Yeah. Potentially coming back down at 167,300 would be nice. Yeah. 100%. So GJ, if you guys are in gold trades, make sure to close some because you're at 30-minute res. Man, the spreads on GJ are wank. I'm fucking sick of it. So I took a little retest there as well, like when I was talking about it, just small. And the fucking stops, like I put break even, I'm like down, I'm up like 8-7 pips, but I'm getting fucking wicked out because the spreads are so shit. I'm gonna complain at IC markets. What's the spreads at now?
Are really bleh.
Yeah, they need to change this shit. I actually will just sack off GJ. Spreads are naff. Your entry is 9, yeah. I get 167, 820. Should be safe now. It's everywhere Blueberry's the same. I think they've just moved all of their focus to gold, right? They've looked, yeah, minus 1.4. Yeah, that's like 1.4, 1.7. Like when you're trying to get like 10, 20, 15 pips, is quite a lot, man.
Yeah, gold is one of the most instruments traded.
0.5 with Black Bull on GJ. I have to look at Black Bull.
Does Payback work with Blackpool?
No. My entry is 982. Yeah, beautiful, man. So target for above, man. Oh, if you could just stayed in that fucking trend line, eh? Yeah, I just got tapped out there. How the fuck did I get tapped out there? Got nowhere near 980. What the fuck? The spreads on GJ ass. My spread is 4 pips. Oh my god. Your spread is 4 pips. Please leave that broker right now. Look at that. I was nowhere near my entry. Yeah, this is shit. I'm kind of annoyed at GJ right now. Spreads. Mine's constantly below 1 pip on FP markets. Ooh. Yeah, I may have to sort that out over here. So you can see resistance there. So as I've always said, basic knowledge of trading. the body of the candle, you've got to take some off. Don't try and push it for this extra little bit on the 15s. The 30-minute, sorry, the 15's there. 30-minute support is right there. 17, 15, dead on. Dead on. So after this, I'm gonna make the homework. I'm gonna do that. I'll post that later on today. And yeah. The homework. They're getting greedy, brokers. Yeah, greedy. Bit too greedy for my liking. So yeah, if you just zoom out and kind of always do this though, just always just zoom out sometimes when maybe you can't find anything. Go, right, what is GJ doing here? Well, it's retesting right now. It seems to be holding there, but it is messing around that area. We are in a range. What I can see in terms of zones is this is zone 1. It faked out there, which is great. Zone 2 below is the one that I probably would let the runner do. Zone 3 is the one I want later on. Yeah. So let's just go through the GJ in terms of that big volume coming out here. So 50-minute closed bearish, made a top wick. Was the top wick in any retracement area? To the daily flip. How much would that have given you? Yeah, that might have been the play, eh? Because it retested back to the support as well. I think the one thing that was putting me off was 168 was right there. One to break. Break of the 30-minute lows here using current candle stops. So a bit of an impulse trade. That was quite nice as well, 13 pips. We were focusing on Goldie at the time. We only have one brain. We can't focus on fucking two things at the same time. I might break even. Yeah. GJ and GA have high spread. Just GU is okay. So yeah, I mean, also to be fair with myself as well, on the Sims, when I have an owling that doesn't have a lower wick and it starts to come down here, it can be quite aggressive. So in my terms of choice, I probably would have left that anyway, even if it did come down, because the owlie had no bottom wick. But yeah, that one there. Was there any other ones below that people took? I always like going through the trades that I could have taken to see if I was happy with not taking them. And for me, yeah, I'm happy with that one. This one here, yeah, resistance is right there. This one kind of closed above. This one did as well. Already had the wicks to the upside to the next level, so didn't really like that. And then this one here, which we talked about, came and retested the Asian, not the level below. If you got in there, the issue would be if you got in like right there. 23 pips, that's actually not too bad. 21 pip gain. Could have maybe reduced it to 19 there. The only issue that, I think probably what Manuel will also agree is, if you're getting in at this area, which is obviously this level of support, good things, it can hold support there. The issue is though, is that we know price likes to come and tap this level. So you have to, if you're getting in there, you have to go, you know what, there's actually quite a high probability here that I could have to take fucking 10 pips drawdown. So it's like, do you want to take that risk? Probably not. In terms of buys later on, I don't think this is going to probably break with London volume. It needs some US stuff later on. Let's just take a look at Bloomberg and see if the person's still talking.
But there's a strong possibility that he broke the 60 and go up like a boom.
Yeah, but 100% in terms of just looking at the things, but it normally doesn't happen in London session. The big pushes, as in like breaking highs. It's
low.
No, it's just from backtesting. Most of the big news has come after 2 o'clock UK time.
Okay.
Like the massive ones, the ones that fucking launch like 300 pips. And this, we know that's probably going to push quite high. So this is the area that I could fake out quite a lot through London. Yeah, but later on, maybe so. Is this it? Republican.
The people have delivered their verdict.
Incumbent. Wait, what? Incumbent Republican DeSantis speaks after defeating Democratic challenger Kristen. Florida
is here to stay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
They shout, USA, USA. So yeah, I think I might leave it off over here now, guys, because we've gone through the trades. This beautiful Goldie was the one, but unfortunately for me, the entries just weren't there. They weren't tapping the trend lines. GJ, the sell below is nice. The only way though to make it a bit valid was maybe that 30-minute break of there, because it's breaking past 168, and you had to have impulsed it. And for me personally, the reason why I would never really do that, even though you know it's a 30-minute break, it's good, is that the zone I'm in right now is kind of sus. And if I want to take an impulsive trade with a lot of volume, I'm wanting, a drive, right? If I don't get that, then I'm going to be goosed, right? So if I know that the zone's quite hard, and also the behavior of GJ recently has been a little bit on the soft side, it was also 10 minutes, 15 minutes left until 8 o'clock. For me, it wasn't a reasonable area. If the stop loss above the previous, though, was reasonable, like maybe like 20 pips, 18 pips, then good. It was 33. It's quite a big zone, man. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Great discussions again this morning with Manuel and everyone, and Stevie Boy and the whole squad. And we'll see you guys later on, man. Peace out, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. See you later, Paulie. See you later, everyone. Bye.
Thanks, guys.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Thank you very much, YouTube, for coming on. If you guys do want to join the mentorship, where you learn how to trade the way we trade, with our strategies, with our entries, with our market conditions, with our fundamental analysis, technical analysis, with all of the webinars we've ever done, with every single simulation we've ever done, then make sure to come and join the mentorship. It's only £50 a month. You can literally come for 1 month, check it out, and see if you like it or not. Obviously, all the signals as well are included. And yeah, last month's results 17%. This month so far 0.76%. And it's all transparent there for you. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on, and peace out.